We're here today to talk a little bit about the Berg Wireless Merlin Pouring System. What's your experience? Why did you originally purchase the Merlin system?
Well, so I'm not tied to the bar. It's an easy system to use. It tracks all your drinks, track the bartenders order drinks, which is a very key factor, and they can't blame each other. Like, oh, I didn't sell that. You know, it pins them to whoever pours drinks, which is a very important feature in the Merlin system. It's a great system. It's a wireless system. I think you can go about 3 weeks without charging them. Some of the best features of the system is it lower your costs, your pouring costs, lower your purchasing of alcohol, increasing your sales.
Has there been any negative reaction to using the system?
For me, nothing at all. All positives.
Okay.
I highly recommend it.
Okay.
It's a great system. I have it about a little over 2 years now, I think. A little over 2 years, I think I have it. It paid for itself in about, I don't know, 3-4 months.
Okay. Do you use any of the advanced like report features or anything?
I do some of the reports. I don't need to use all the reports. It's very detailed. If you want to look at every aspect of all your pouring and everything else, but I use the main stuff that I need to know, factor in every day I'm operating my business.
Okay, so you're a valued customer.
I'm a happy customer.
And a happy customer.
Very satisfied customer. Customer service is great. You know, you guys are great. I'm not getting paid to do this. Just want to put that on record. This is by my own free will. If you try the system, you'll like it. Let them do a demonstration for you. It's a lot of positives. There's nothing to lose in using the system. There's a lot to gain from it, actually.
Okay, well, thanks a lot for your time. We surely appreciate it.